Welcome to this video on copying annotations in Geneious Prime. This method requires you to have an alignment or assembly of two or more homologous sequences with differing annotations that you want to transfer or combine. To begin, select your two sequences and perform a multiple alignment by going to Align Assemble and then Pairwise Align. We recommend the Geneious Alignment tool with the default settings. Click OK to perform the alignment. In the resulting alignment file, right-click on the sequence containing the annotations you want to copy. Then, select Annotation, copy all in selected region to, and select the sequence you wish to copy to. Once you have copied all the annotations, you should see them appear on the other sequence. Ensure you save your changes and select Yes to apply the updates to the original sequence file. If you prefer to copy a single annotation instead of all the annotations in the file, select the annotation, then right-click and go to Annotation, Copy to, and select the desired sequence. And that's how you copy annotations in Geneious Prime. To learn more, visit geneious.com.